I am very excited to report that I have finally successfully cleared my calendar. As a result, the rest of the summer is just about the vibes, y'all. I am giving myself a vacation. I'm taking it easy. I am tired. This whole year, I've just been over-scheduled. Every single day I've had something to do. And it's going to pop off and start off again in September. And I just need, I desperately need this break. So I am going to take these next 3 weeks and I'm going to just take it easy. I'm going to vibe, I'm going to vacation, I'm going to do nothing except study for my beads test because that I'm actually excited to do. But other than that, no. The rest of the summer is about vibes. We are about to have another week of heat, and one of the things that I am doing is some prepping, of some, meals that are incredibly hydrating so that I can be well hydrated in advance of this. And so I'm going to just show you something I made right now. This is a tomato, watermelon, and basil salad. And all I did was chop up some tomatoes, chop up a little bit of watermelon, and then pull some basil off some basil plant. And then what I will do is when it is time, when I'm going to serve myself, I'll just scoop everything into a bowl, and then I just drizzle, a little bit of olive oil. And when you do it, all of the juices really come together from the olive oil and the tomato and the basil and the watermelon. And it is just so incredibly refreshing. So if you are looking for a really healthy, really tasty, really hydrating, electrolyte boosting recipe for these last dog days of summer, this is it. You're gonna love this. My lemon tree has sprouted. Yay! Here is my lemon tree. This is the first little lemon tree right here that sprouted. The one thing is that then this one sprouted, which means that 2 seeds sprouted, which means I will have 2 lemon trees. Hello, my loves. So, quick little haul. A brand that I love called Kitchery, where I bought a lot of my summer dresses. Unfortunately, it's going out of business, or has gone out of business. I'm not quite certain. The point is, their website is definitely still up, and you can definitely still place an order. Everything is just marked down a lot, and it's literally all of their final pieces. So, I ended up getting 2 little dresses, and so I'm going to try them on for you and show them to you, just in case you too would like to grab a little piece of fashion history. This is the first dress. It is a UK size 6. I do wish I got in a size 8. Little tiny bit tighter than I would like it to be, but normally all my other dresses with them were a 6, so I thought it would be fine. I thought this fabric was cotton. It's not. I assume it's polyester. That's my bad. I didn't read it closely. But the thing about it that I do like is that there is this ruching all the way here in the middle. So as a result, you don't have to worry if you have any tummy or anything like that, because the ruching kind of hides it. As you can see, you can't see anything. This is the back of the dress. It was 50 euros, so I didn't obviously pay too much for it. So it's very Got it for a reasonable price. This is the second dress I got. I really liked it mainly because of the fringe, and I thought it would be something cute and chic for just when I go to dinner with the girls in the winter or the fall. The one thing is that it is see-through, like I'm looking into the mirror right here and I can see through to my underwear band, so I know I'm gonna have to wear something underneath that, like some sort of, I don't know, whatever. And also I'll probably wear something underneath it to smooth it, because I do like when there's like a nice smooth silhouette. Again, I kind of wish I had sized up to a size 8. Oh, and this was 40 euros. The thing is, I will say, in their big flowy dresses, all the big flowy dresses I have from Kitchery, I am a size 6. But obviously, in all these dresses that are a little bit more fitted, I think I would be more comfortable in the size 8. So that's just something for you to know if you decide to hop onto their website and grab something up before it's all gone. Okay, I have one final soles unboxing. I think I mentioned it, but they extended the soles because of the heat wave. And so I ended up getting 2 more pairs of shoes, and I'm going to show them to you. So the first are these Chartreuse Ralph Lauren ballet flats. You all, these are so comfortable. They have like padding on the inside. I really love Ralph Lauren's shoes, and they always have the nice grippy bottom, so no falling on any cobblestone. And my feet are a little swollen today. Not a lot, but a little. Didn't sleep well. I was out late last night. But this is what they look like on. So they're super cute. So cute. Oh, and please don't judge my muumuu dress. I love this dress. I wear it all the time. I got it from Uniqlo. It feels like a t-shirt on my body. It's great. And then last but not least, I got these knee-high boots from the brand Ayed. If you remember from my other Soles haul, I showed you I got the white shoes that are Ayed. I got these brown boots from Ayed. They are over the knee. Like, look at those. Look at these boots. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. So excited to get to wear these around Paris this fall. All right, so that's it. All of my cute fashion items, my fashion vibes from the past.